guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. Today I have a Ariana Grande inspired makeup and hair tutorial. I have the picture right here. I'll put it on the screen or right there somewhere of what inspired me. I used all affordable products besides my lashes. My lashes aren't necessarily affordable, but besides that, everything I used is drugstore and affordable, so that was pretty fun to do. I wanted to, kind of do something that all of you could recreate. I'm showing you how I did the makeup and the hair. The hair isn't like crazy special, but I thought it would be still fun to do and to show you. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
You and me all night and let's talk about love. And feeling alright and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on baby, let's talk about love. Like you and me all night and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright and let's talk about love. Yeah baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. 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 I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright and let's talk about love. Yeah baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. 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 Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She'll never know. I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about.
Okay, we're gonna head on to the hair. In the picture that I was inspired by, Ariana has like a braid going down the middle, which I already know I'm not gonna be able to do, so I'm not doing that. But I'll be using one bundle of hair to create like a really nice voluminous bun, because my natural hair, it's short and it like the bun isn't gonna be as nice. So this hair is by, I don't know how I pronounce this. But this is the brand. I was gonna make a wig with this hair, but then I saw that she wore a bun and I was like, no, it's way cuter to just create like a really voluminous bun using this hair. It's 20 inches. I'm pretty sure it's Malaysian hair. I will have all the exact details down below because I'm really bad at remembering them. I have another 2 bundles and a frontal left, so I actually want to give this away. I haven't talked to the company or asked them if I'm able to do this, but I'm pretty sure they'll be fine with it since, you know, it'll still get used, and like I just don't want to just have it laying around. I don't have like an exact date of when this giveaway is going to be closed or anything just yet, but I'll leave the information down below, and also the steps that you need to take to win this. What else? I've never done a giveaway, but it's open internationally. I don't mind shipping anything international. So yeah, shipping costs obviously is on me, and just look in the description if you want to win it. Before I clip that into my hair, I also need to put my own hair in a bun. My bun is pretty high, so I'm going to do the same thing. If you can do the braid in the middle, I would say go ahead, but I'm so bad at braiding, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it pretty tight. Give yourself a little facelift.
I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
So I'm just gonna be twisting my hair. I don't need this bun to be very big. I just need it to be in a bun.
T-shirts, so it smells like.
I'm just gonna be pinning this hair around my bun. I'm just gonna be wrapping this around my bun.
You felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress. When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile.
Okay. Now we got that wrapped. You want to go in and pin it. The bobby pin. Make sure it's secure. There's like a braid in the bun, so I'm actually going to take a little section and braid it.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about.
The hair is really soft, which is good, but it makes it kind of hard to braid. Just gonna put a bobby pin right here at the end to kind of keep it together. I'm gonna leave out the braid, but I'm going to take the hair and twist it.
Say in a good way, so come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love.
You just want to use some bobby pins to make the bun look how you want it to be.
I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love.
And I'm gonna take the braid, kind of put it around. Can't really see it that much. Put it around there. I need to fix this part because it's a little too messy. I think that's pretty good. In the picture, she has some flyaways like right here. So I'm kind of doing that, just kind of picking at it to brush it in place. Because my hair is short, I have quite some flyaways, but I don't really want to put hairspray in my hair because it's just going to dry it out. But if you don't mind that, go ahead and put some hairspray, and I'm just going to bobby pin with a bobby pin. You can't really see the braid that I did, probably also because the hair is dark. If you have lighter hair, then it'll look, you know, you'll see it more. But yeah, it's neat. Okay, I will leave all the information to this hair and also information about the giveaway down below. So if you want to make a wig out of the hair or you want to recreate this look, doesn't really matter. There's only 2 bundles and a frontal, but I feel like you can still make a wig out of that. It's not going to be like a super full wig, but it's enough to make a wig out of, for sure. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I have all my social media links down below. Tweet me, DM me because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.